All right, this is just real quick. I just want to give the definition of a linear differential equation. So a linear differential equation kind of looks like, you almost think of it like almost like a polynomial in that differential equation. So basically you'll have something that looks like this. You'll have like an of t times yn of t plus an minus 1 of t, yn minus 1 of t plus dot 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 plus a1 of t y prime of t plus a naught of t y of t equals some g of t. Okay, so what I want you to notice is that these guys here are all functions of t only, or whatever the independent variable is. Okay, and then these guys here are just derivatives of the y, the dependent variable, whatever that dependent variable is. And so the only way that y can show up is if it's in these derivatives. So here's like an example. So if I had, I'm just going to make something up. So let's say I have, let's just use y and t here. So say I have 3t squared y prime double prime plus e to the t y prime plus y equals sine of t. Okay, and so what I will notice here is I'm going to circle in red these kind of coefficients, right? That those all need to be functions of t. So those are all functions of t. And then these guys here are just my derivatives of y. Okay, so this is a linear differential equation, and it is of order 2y because the highest derivative is a second derivative. So this is of order 2 because of that. Okay, what if I had this one? What if I had u squared e to the t u prime plus u equals 3t squared plus 1, something like that. Okay, so what I want to notice here is that my independent variable is t. So t is my independent variable. And so I can see that I have a function of t here. This is just a constant 1. This here is not a function of t only. Okay, and then here are my derivatives of u. They're my derivatives of u. But that coefficient in front of u prime is not a function of t only. So it is not linear. It's not a linear differential equation. But it is of order. I can look for the highest derivative. It's of order 1. So it's a first order differential equation, but it is not linear. Okay. So I think that pretty much gets to it. So you just want to kind of look at those like coefficients of those derivatives and see if they're functions of the independent variable only.